Brazil's most beloved street snack was born from a clever twist on a chicken drumstick. Golden, crispy on the outside with a creamy, savory filling inside. Let's start with the recipe. To a deep base pot on medium heat, add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To this, add in 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 onion finely sliced, and allow this to saute until the onions become a light golden brown color. Once it's golden brown in color, add in 2 cups of cooked chicken. This chicken I steamed for about 10 to 15 minutes without adding any spices. After you've added in the chicken, add in 1 teaspoon of fine salt, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese. Mix this for about 5 minutes on medium heat, then add in about 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. Allow this to cook for about 5 minutes and then remove and allow to cool. Placing it into a separate bowl allows it to cool faster. Leave this aside and now let's start with our dough. To another deep base pot, add in 1 tablespoon of butter, then add in a 1/4 cup of chicken stock. To this, add in 2 cups of full cream milk and 2 cups of cake flour. Stir this and allow to cook until it becomes a dough consistency. This took about 5 minutes to become this consistency. Remove and place this into a bowl and allow to cool. Once it has cooled, add in more cake flour and make into a workable consistency. Now we're ready to shape our coxinhas because we've got our dough ready. We've got some oil, which you might need just to place into your hand so it doesn't get too sticky. You've got your chicken filling, some egg yolk, and some breadcrumbs. Taking some of the dough about the size of a golf ball, roll into a ball to smooth the edges and then flatten out. Add in about a tablespoon of the chicken filling into the dough, then close it up and shape into a teardrop. Once you've achieved the teardrop shape, place into the egg mixture and then into the breadcrumbs. Make sure you've covered the entire teardrop with breadcrumbs. Continue doing this until you get about 15 to 20 teardrop shapes. Fry them in medium to hot oil until they are golden brown in color. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once they are golden brown, remove and place onto a paper towel. This will allow all the excess oil to drain out. Perfectly fried, golden brown coxinhas, golden and crispy, ready to be served. Now let me remind you that these coxinhas are crispy and golden on the outside, but creamy on the inside. And this is what the inside looks like. Delicious. If you do try the recipe, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, hitting the notification bell so that you're updated on all my uploads. See you in the next vlog.